Right, you guys, so welcome to the channel. This is my BMW rear main seal. This is the original, like it's a 12 millimeter, like 1960 or something like that. But look, so here's the deal. I have the special kit, it's install and removable front and rear. This is the rear. All of these are the rear. This is the one that came off the car. It's a little worn, like those lines there. And I ordered 2 of these because I know seals are tricky. Even I always replace them with the special tool. This just fits perfectly. I was still having issues. Had to try it twice. It's all banned. This one too went bad. I don't want to leave. Look at that. So I end up ordering another 2 brand new BMW seals. Actually, I got them off of FCP Euro lifetime warranty. So probably I'm just gonna end up returning these 2 and have a refund money for the other 2 that I just bought. Hopefully they have no complaints. So yeah, I'm gonna give you a couple advices. I'm gonna go ahead and start replacing this, and I'm gonna give you an idea what not to do, what I did to damage this 2 right here. So let's do it.